there's this place that I've been seeing on Instagram called the Notre Dame Cathedral of Saigon, and they have painted it pink, and I'm really excited to go see it. So as we were driving up to the cathedral, we realized that it's not pink.
Kim put in the wrong address. Hello? Hello, do you miss me? So it's our first night in Ho Chi Minh City, and we have a very early flight tomorrow morning, 6 a.m. For our business trip this night in the south, and we're about to play Bean Boozled.
So for those of you who don't know the game, there are delicious flavors and there are disgusting flavors, but they are the same color. So you could pick up a green one and it could be a juicy pear or a booger, or you could pick up a orangey one and it could be peach or vomit.
I don't know what that landed on. The green one. A
Booger.
Oh!
It tastes like a vegetable.
Oh no, the booger's not good. Now what does I wipe my hands with?
Why did you spit on your hand?
Because it tasted so gross.
That's dramatic.
So, this yellow one. Rotten egg.
Your favorite.
Mine smells really bad. Can I swap it?
I like it. I like the popcorn.
Oh! Oh!
No, eat it. You can't spit this one out. No. No. No.
I don't know why I agreed to play this game.
So we just landed in the small city of Rach Gia. This is a tiny little airport. It's surrounded by a lot of greenery and literally no buildings. I don't know why they would open an APAX center here, but we are excited to see what is going to happen this weekend. All these Vietnamese people are probably wondering why these foreigners are here. I'm wondering why we're here. It's really a weird situation, but we got a free trip out of it, so. So this is the city that we're in. This is the river that we're looking at, or whatever it is. Oh, it is the ocean. This is it. This is what they call the sea view. Dusty, the glass is dirty, there's no aircon, not even a fan, there's no water, there's no tables and chairs, there are whiteboard markers but no whiteboard, and everyone's really excited, and it's really nice to see that they're so happy.
Nice to meet you. Do you know which classroom you'll be teaching in? Yes, it's here. In here? Yeah. Okay, is the TV set up? No.
It's day 2 in Rach Gia, and we're dressed way more casual today because the center that we are opening is still very much under construction. We just ended the business side of our 2-day business trip to Rach Gia in the south of Vietnam. So we're ending the day off on this pier that we found just 2 minutes, maybe 3 minutes away from our hotel.
It's incredible. So we tried to go to the Bentang food market, and then it started storming while we were in the grass. It's literally a river. We made it!
Time here to become a drop master. There we got fighter on your mission. For a perfect hooligan for yourself, and of course for yourself. The police.